Good morning, my friends. Let's see if we can start up the Farmall for a change. It ran about, I would guess, 2 months ago. That was a backfire. It's a backfire. Guys, it backfired 2 times. Nice with the open pipe, and I think I need to check the points and make sure everything is clean. So obviously something is not 100%. It's first time that they do that. And there was actually no fire this morning, and eventually get the fire back, and then it backfires. So I'm not sure what that is. Maybe water, I'm not sure. But yeah, we will tackle it next time. I want to remove this, and then there's the inner part that also come out where the point is, and start there and work my way out to the condenser and the coil and so on. But that was interesting. Guys, maybe the reason could be I use one of this 2-volt batteries. I think it was this one. They're both full charged, but obviously they will provide less amps maybe, I'm not sure, but it might be the reason why it backfired. Okay, I'll take it from here. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Okay, at this point you can hear the goodness. Let's turn it around. Okay, guys, that is lamb kebabs, and that one, and this 4 is, and that one is chicken kebabs. This is pork rib, a piece of pork rib, and this is 2 different types of beef boerewors. Okay guys, this is the end of a success story, and it will be very nice with potatoes and pepper sauce. Just a better look with the flash on, and we will enjoy our dinner tonight, and hope you enjoyed it, friends. See you on the next one. Bye bye.